Now all of the exams are over, right? So then you guys start practicing this exam. And whenever you face any problems, any doubts, please ask. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Amar. Yes. Okay, Amar. Whenever you have noted, please say.
Yeah, okay.
And Amar, you will start also your practice, your revision. Just write everything on your sticky notes and then paste it not on the wall because right, whenever or wherever it is easy for you, paste it there and then just revise those problems. Right? Okay. Whenever you have noted and yes, Aisha, let us wait for others and then we continue with the circuits part.
Okay, sir. So I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, yes. No worries. Yes, Amar, whenever you have noted, please say. Shama has also. Yes, Amar, noted.
Yeah, that's
Yes, hello, Shama. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Okay, so let us start what we're doing, right? And did you guys solve any further questions? You guys do that. You guys solve any other questions? Answer, please. If we have fine. Okay, so you guys do this. Aisha, have you returned?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you all of you guys are here, right? And please, yes, we are not here, so we can start, right? You guys, please do this 30th question, right? And today we will skip so many questions, right? Because I guess there are revision classes also that is going to happen. That would be on weekly basis and those classes, number of classes, and we'll cover from first chapter to last chapter, right? So then we'll not take time to these questions explicitly, So you guys please try this 30th question, right? We have to find this PP, and we know OA, we know OB. Then we have to find what is the, yeah. So this, yeah, this is a very puzzling question, right? When I was looking at PA and PB, so yeah, be careful with this question, right? At first glance, it looked like that PA and PP are the same tangents, but these are not, right? So please calculate what would be PP. And whenever you guys get the answer, please yes, guys, what would be PP? And remember, don't try to get the answer directly, right? So it may be, yeah, possible that you cannot get your answer in one step, right? So you have to use some ideas times. Keep in that. Yes, guys, are you guys stuck? Okay, yeah, so I've got the answer. Why this chat box is not open? Oh, not 84. So Aisha has got 80. Shaima and Amar, what about you guys? 21. Yeah, so okay, 21. 4, yeah. Yes, Shaima and Amar, what about you guys? Okay, so look at OAP triangle. In triangle OAP, OP is hypotenuse, right? OP is hypotenuse, then what would be OP square? OP square would be uh, not, yes, uh, Shama, are you saying something? OA
Yeah,
square.
okay.
Oh, you have also got root 84. Amar, what about you? What about you?
Some checking my answer.
Okay, so yeah, let us check that answer, right? So if two Aisha and Shaima are getting, so this is obviously correct. But Amar, let us OA. Okay, it's very small. Okay, OA is the larger one, right? So this is 6 square and PA is 8 square. So 6 square and 8 square, that is OP square, right? And then if we find out PB, so OP square, that would also be, this would also be OB square plus, what is this thing? PB square in triangle OPB. So this is 6 square plus 8 square. OB is 4 square, right? So PB square. So PB square is how much? This is 36, 64 minus how much is this? 16. So this is 64 and 60, 900 minus 16, 84. So PB. Right. Yes, Amar. Did you get this answer? These are correct. Right. You can leave it at
Yes.
here and you can also do this calculation. Okay, good. So everyone got the answer, right? This is, yeah, the figures are not completely visible. So let us keep this part. Okay, so this is the question. So please do this 33rd question, right? Please do this 33rd question. Yeah, and you guys also practice some of the questions from this chapter, right? And if you find any problem, please let me. Okay, what are the things which are given? So BD, BD is 6, and what also they have given? This is 3, and they have also given that this is 9. If the area of triangle ABC is 54 centimeter, then find the length of AB and EC. This is the thing that we have to find. It is, I don't know, maybe it is or maybe yes, guys. What are you guys getting? Any answers, guys, yet? Any answers? So this is 6, this is 9, this is x, this is x. Right. Now we have to find out the area of this thing. So what would be area of this? So S is how much? S is 6 plus 6 plus x plus x plus 9 plus 9 by 2. So how much is this thing? 12 and 18. So 12 and 18 is 30 plus 2x divided by 2. So that is 15 plus x. This is our S. Area is how much?
Sir,
Yes.
I'm getting ABS 9 and
Oh, so you got x
AC.
equals to 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Aisha has got x as 3. And yeah, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So what would be this thing, right? What would be this thing? We can use other method as well. So we can use that also, but yeah, what would be this thing? Area is 54 centimeters square, and that is equal to S, which is 50 plus X, and then 15 plus X minus 6 plus X, which is 16 minus X, oh, 6 minus X, and then 15 plus X minus 9 minus X, and then 15 plus X minus 15. This is 0. So this is 0. So x cancelled, x cancels, this 15 and 15 cancels. So 54 is 15 plus x, and then this is 9, and then this is 6, and then this is x. So how much is this thing? This is 54 into 54, and that is 15 plus x, and this is 54 into x. 54, 54 cancel. This is 54 equal to 15x plus x square. So we have x square plus 15x minus 54. So 9 and 6, right? So this is minus 50. Okay, so how do we? This is 3, and then this is 1 and 8, and so 18 and 3, right? So x square plus 3 minus 3x minus 3x plus 18x and minus 54 equals to 0. X minus 3 and 18, x minus 3. So x is minus 18, x is 3. What would be the correct answer? This is discarded. This is. So x we have got 3. So AB would be 6 plus 3, which is 9. And AC would be 9 plus 3, which is 12. So this is one method, right? Yes, Shama, yes? Yes,
So
Shama.
I also got x is equal to 2.
Oh, you also got x equals to 3. Yes. Good, good. So, Amar, what about you? What was the x that you got? Yes. Or did you understand this part? So, we have used the Heron's formula to calculate the area of this triangle. That we have done already in the circles chapter, right? In the NCRT problem, there was this problem. So, in this part is already given. area is already given, and then you calculate it from Hero's formula. So then you will get this answer, right? So is it clear, Amar?
Yes.
And yeah, so there's one other method that you can also use, and that is this one. So you divide this triangle in three parts. One is this, and the other one is this, and then the other one is this. So one is this one, and then the other one is this one, and then the other one is and what you do is that you add these three areas, and that would be your area, which is 50. So in this way also you can solve this problem, and what you will get. So you have, I will write it directly, that area of AOB plus the area of BOC plus the area of AOC. That is area of ABC, which is 54. So you can write that area of AOB. AOB is this one. So AOB half, base is 6 plus x, and then height is 3 centimeters. And then plus half, and base is again 9 plus 6, height is 3, and plus half, what is this thing? 9 plus x, and height is 3, and then 50. So you can take common. You can take 3 common, and you can take by 2 common, and then multiply it there. So this is 6 plus x, and then plus 9 plus 6, and plus 9 plus x, and 54 divided by 3 into 2. Because I have taken 3 common, and then 3 will go downwards, because this is multiplication, 2 will go upward. This would be 18, and this is 36. So this is 2x, and this is how much? 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6. So that is 30 equal to 36. So 2x is 6, and x is 3. So in this method, you don't have to solve this quadratic equation, right? But you will get the answers. So these are the two methods. So which method, Aisha, you have used? Which one?
No, sir, I used the other method.
The first one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in the first one, there is one advantage in the first one, that we don't require this radius of this circle, right? So won't require this information. But in the second method, we require this radius. So Shaima, you have also used this one. Yes,
So I use the other.
this one.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So yeah, the idea is that we have to get the answer, right? So whatever method then we have to. So Amar, yeah, which method is quite easy for you? Which one is easy for you? The previous one or this one?
Mm, previous one like takes
This
too
one.
much time.
Oh yeah, previous one will take too much time. Yeah, because you have to solve this quadratic equation as well. Okay, so yeah, Amar, you quickly note it down, and then we'll do the next step. Not I will do, but you guys will do the next question. Quickly note it down, Amar. Right? And I have skipped so many steps in calculating these values, right? So you guys have to practice. Right? I directly took this 3 on the other side, but we have to take common, and then we have to take the other side. But I have directly did it, so you guys have to take care of it. Amar, noted.
Yes.
Then let us move. Yeah, so I have written the middle of this question because I don't have enough space. I have written. Okay, so you guys, oh, what kind of question is this? You guys, please do this question 24, and then I will, yeah, and then I will surely skip because we'll be stuck at this part, right?
Sir, hunger TRQ.
PRQ is what? How much?
55.
55. So Shaima is getting 55, right? Yes. What about you guys? So remember two-step. Yes. Aisha and Amar, what about you guys? One hint, you guys, for right? Only one hint that you guys. Let me just give you guys that hint. Now you guys tell me what is
So even I'm getting 55.
55. Good, good. Aisha is also 55. Amar 55, right? Because we know that this angle is 110, right? So this is at the center, so this would be half of that. Yes. Now I'll skip some questions, right? Yes. Right. Now skip this question. Yeah. Yeah. This question. This question. I don't know, but let's skip this question. This question we have already done because okay, an isosceles AB is that point of contact. Okay, this one we have already done. This one we have already done. Okay, there are lots of questions like this one question. Okay, one triangle PQR is 189. Okay, this one we have also done. So many questions of same type, right? What they are asking? AOP, AOP. Yeah, this one, this is the NCRT problem. Do you guys remember this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us do this. But you see that there are lots of these kind of questions, right? So I have skipped so many. But you guys, please practice one of these, and if you find any problem, please that, right? So I have skipped so many of them. This one also, and others as well. But you guys, please practice them, right? Please practice them and tell me if you find any problem. What is that question? Revise this part. Yeah, just do this part again. So please prove that angle AOB is 90. Right. There are two ways to do this. So whatever way you guys are comfortable with, please quickly prove this one. Right. X, Y, and X prime, Y prime, these are bad records. Yeah, whenever you guys have got it, there is
So prove.
Sir proved it.
So Amar, what about you? Yes, what about you, Amar? Okay, so we have to let me just talk about this thing. So if we have the circle and this is the tangent, right, and this is the center of the circle, we connect these things, and if we join this part, so we already know that this and this is equally divided, and this is equally divided, right? Right, Amar?
Yes, one second.
Yeah. So what you can do, Amar, is that this is 1 and this is also 1, right? And this is 2 and this is also 2. Similarly, in this quadrilateral, let's say this is 3 and this is 3, and this is 4 and this is 4. So you can solve this question in two ways. One is that you can take this property, right? You can use this property. So POQ is a straight line. POQ is a straight line. So what you can write is that angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 3. How much would be this, Amar? How much would be this? Angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 3. What would be this?
Angle 10.
Yes? What did you say? No, these are angles, not 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. These are angles, right? These are angles.
Yeah, one second, sir. Just joke.
Yeah, so these are line on the line. So this would be 180, right?
No.
So this would be, should I use the other? Okay, so let us use X X, Y, Y, Z, Z, W, W. So let us use this. So Y plus Z plus Z. Now it is more clear, right? So Y plus Z plus Z, that is 180. So this is 2Y plus 2Z. This is 180. So 2Y plus Z is 180. So Y plus Z is 180 by 2, which is 90.
So can you say that OCA is 90 degrees?
CA, CA and CA what? Oh, CA,
OCA.
OCA. Yeah, OCA is obviously 90 degree because this is the tangent and this is the radius. This is obviously the 90. Yes, we have to prove that this is 90 degree. So Y plus Z, that we got. So Y plus Z is how much? Y plus Z is angle AOB. That is 90 degree. So that is proven. This is one method. The other method that you can use is this one. So X plus X, W plus W. That would be how much? This is a parallel line and this is the same angle in the inside, interior angle on the same side of transverse. So that would be again 180 degree. So you can prove that X plus W is 90 degree. So if X plus W is 90 degree, then this would be 180 minus 90, which is 90 degree, right? So angle AOB, that would be 180 minus X plus W. So 180 minus 90, which is 90. So these are the two methods that you can use to prove that this is 90. Right. So which method you guys have used, Aisha and Shaima? Which one? Yes.
So the same one, I proved the triangles congruent and then did it.
What triangles
Yes,
congruent? Yeah, oh, you guys have proved that first the
Yes, sir.
triangle.
Yes, sir. I proved that triangle AOC and AOP are congruent. So
Yeah,
the angles will be equal.
yeah.
And then COB and BOQ. And then
You,
those two angles will be equal. Then I proved that if we add them, we'll get 180. And then I
yeah.
did that.
Oh, yeah. So you guys can directly use this, right? We already know that these are equally divided. Okay, okay, yeah. If these are asked in 5 marks question, then you prove that this is congruent, right? Otherwise, you guys can directly use right. So yes,
Yes,
Amar,
sir.
is it Shaima? What is the method that you same one as Aisha is
the
saying?
same one as Aisha.
Good. Yeah. And Amar, please, is your confusion clear? Is it clear to you,
Yes,
Amar?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you just remember this part, right? Remember this part and forget about the other part. So noted, Amar.
Yes, sir. I noted. I'm just checking.
Yeah. So whenever these kind of questions come, you just label each and every angle. Then you guys can clearly do this problem, right? So just labeling is very important, right? And what have I told you earlier that always label those diagrams, right? Radius of circle, tangent, bisect each other, and we find the yeah. Oh, this one is looking good. So what we need to find out? Oh, this is not the center. So in the given figure, tangents PQ and PR are drawn from external point. RPQ is what? RS is drawn parallel. Find RQS. RQS you guys have to find out. So you guys quickly find out that what would be RQ, right? this is a very long question. But yeah, you guys please find out what is R, Q, and this is a lengthy question, right? So, but, yeah, don't get afraid if you don't reach the answers. Take time. But because what I'm seeing is that in this phase, this is the
So can you give a hint?
hint. Okay, so hint is that you join this one, right? Just you join this one, and you guys calculate this one, then calculate this angle, right? And then calculate this angle, and then you will get this angle. This is
Okay, sir.
yes, you guys get the answer.
Sir, 30 degree.
30 degree. Oh, same value. Okay, so Shaima is getting 30. Yes, Aisha and Amar, you guys get the answer. Yes, Aisha and Amar, did you guys get the answer?
Sorry, I'm getting 30 degrees.
30 degree. Good. So Aisha
30.
is also getting 30 degree. What about you, Amar?
Sir, sir, angle ROQ is the 60, right?
ROQ, that would be 30 and this is supplementary. So that would be 150, right? So this is
So it's
150. This is 150, so this is 75, right? And then if this is 150, so what would be this angle? What would be this angle? So this is 30, 30, so this is 15, right? So this is also 15. And yeah, so if this is 15, so okay, then what about this one? So this is 90, and this is so if this is 15, this is this total is 19. So this one is how much? 90 minus 15, so 75 as well. So this whole angle is 75, and so if this is 75, then again what? If this is 75, this is 30, so this is 125, and then this is how much? So 180 minus 115. So that is 5, and then this is 7, 165. So this is 65. Okay, then how do we calculate this thing? This one is how much? Hmm? So we have to figure out what is if the tangents are drawn from the external point. So if these are equal, right, then chord RS is drawn parallel. Oh, yeah. Oh, so this information RS is drawn parallel to the tangent PQ. So RS is parallel to PQ. So this plus this, right? This and this is equal. So yeah, okay. So this information is very crucial, right? Good. So now we have got the answer. So this is 75, right? And to calculate this thing, right? So we have just got that this is 15. So if this is 15, total is 90. So this is how much? Why are we calculating this? This thing we need, right? Yeah, so this is how much? 90 minus 15, which is 75. So this is 75. If this is 75, then this is how much? How much is this thing? So 180 minus 7105, right? Oh, so this is 75. Okay, so this is 75. So this is 75. If this is 75, then what would be this whole angle? This is 75. So this is 75. This is 75. So this is 30. Good, yeah. So this would be RQS. That is 30 degrees. But yeah, what is the other method that you guys use? So did you guys use any simpler method? Yes, Shaima and Aisha. What was the other method that you guys?
Sir, I can't see a specific method because I tried all the methods I knew.
Yeah. So you cannot. Yeah, you cannot because you tried all the methods.
Sir, but lastly I used the parallel method.
Yeah, parallel one, right? So we calculate. I have also used this parallel one, right? Interior angle. So these are interior angles. So I got the 75. So this is also 75. Aisha, what about you? So did you use
But even I
any?
use the parallel one.
You use also the parallel one, right? Yeah. So which means
Yes,
that
sir,
this.
because I could not find anything else.
Yeah. So this is the crucial information. If we don't know this information, then we cannot calculate, right? So first, Hamas, what you do is that you calculate this angle, which is 150. So from 150, you calculate this angle, which is 75. So this part is done. Now we need somehow this angle. We need somehow this angle. So to calculate this angle, we calculate this one and this one. So these are equal. So this would be 15 degrees. So if this is 15 degrees, then ORP, that is 90. So this is 15, so this would be 75. If this is 75, this is 30, so this would be 75. If this is 75, so this would be 75. So these are many steps that you have to follow, Amar. And then if these are 275 degrees, then this is 30. So are these steps that you guys followed, Shama and Aisha? Are these steps that you guys followed?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you, Amar?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So we'll stop at here, right? And in the next class, we'll start because I have not written anything here. Amar, you just do this problem again. And if you're stuck, then we'll discuss that, right? So I guess we have done all the questions. This part is important. So you guys, please practice this one because this was the question that Shaima got, right? So you guys do this problem and then we are done. So this chapter is, this is repeating, and then we are done. So you guys practice some question. Yeah, this one was a very lengthy question, right? This was Okay, so we'll stop it here and you guys also practice some questions from this one. So in the next class, what should we start? What should we start, guys? Circles we have done. So what should we start? Yes, Shaima, Aisha, and Mark. Or should we decide this in the next class? Yes. Okay, so you guys please come up with some chapter in the next class and then we'll do that. Majority of the vote, so that chapter will start. Okay, so Allah Hafiz guys and see you guys in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Yes, Allah Hafiz guys.
Allah.
Allah Hafiz. Bye bye guys. Allah Hafiz.